Namaskar guys, welcome to the How to Doer. Today we are going to letting you know something about that how to add music on your YouTube video that has been uploaded by you on internet. Many times it happens with us that we just without editing or without doing anything and we upload the video, and after few time we think that we should remove the audio or we should add a proper music for that. Then how we can add that? Yes, you are listening very right. You can just edit the uploaded video on the internet without downloading or without deleting that video, and you can easily add copyrighted free music on the video, and that will be monetized too. Now how you can do so? First of all, I'm requesting you, please like the video and subscribe the channel for get more videos like this, and share, don't forget to share with your YouTuber friends. Now I'm going to telling you that how to add a music on YouTube video. Now what we have to do, we have to just go to the our internet browser. I'm going to, one second. Now we have to go to our internet browser, and over there you will find an option called content or videos. Then you have to choose over there, and after that you have to choose the video on which you want to add music over there. Yes, you are listening very right. If you want to add music on any video, then you have to choose over there. I'm going to adding music over here. Then we have to click on this pencil icon. After that we have to just go to the left side editor option over there, and you can see this is the editor option over here. Then you have to click on that. After that you will see many options as you can see in front of you, and you will find the option over here as a audio icon over there. Then we have see a option over there in front of that audio icon, add a track option over there, or plus icon over there. We have to just click on that plus icon, and after that a music directory will be open in front of you. If you want to find the music, then you can find out easily from here on audio library, or you can just directly search your track which you want to add, or you can just track or search by any name. Now if we want to add any music from over here, as if we want to our full use, and we have to just press over here and listen the music. As you can see in front of you, the music is playing, and if you want to add this music, then we have to pause over here, and after that we have to click on this add icon. When we click on add icon, as you can see in front of you, that a new line has been popped up over there. And if we want to check out the music, is it supplied or not, then we can easily play the video. It's playing the video. Now your now you can see your music has been applied or added to your videos. Then if you want to control the audio, how much music you want to play in the video, if you want to play the vocals with this that, then you have to click over here on the mixing level, and you have to choose it over low. And now the video audio will be also played with this. Then if I want to try it over here, one second. As you can see, the, the vocals are also available, which are available with the which were available with the video. Now if you want to add that music, then we have to click on this save button, or if you want to remove this and want to add more, you can press over here remove or add, want to add, you can add anything from there. As you can see, now you can easily control this too, and you will easily able to make changes. After that you have to click on this save icon. If you want to make final your say changes, then click on this save icon. After that a message will pop up in front of you that if you want to save this video, then you keep in mind that you never undo this process, because it's saved as a video. Now if you want to undo that, you have to save as a new video, you not able to recover that. Okay, now you have to click on save, and your processing of adding music will start, and you will easily find a added music on your video. Hope you like that and know how to add a music on YouTube video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share with your family and friends. Don't forget to subscribe and hit bell icon for get more videos like this. Be with us, keep learning how to do it.